Hello everyone, welcome back to Enginuety Lab. This is part 12 of our CATIA V5 beginner solid modeling series. In this video, we shall create a complete 3D solid model from a 2D engineering drawing step by step. This exercise is help you to improve your sketch interpretation, constraint uses and solid feature creation skills. So let's start. Open CATIA V5 and start mechanical design and part design, and rename this one as solid model 12 and OK. Now you are into the part design workbench. Before jumping into the model, we always analyze the drawing carefully. So today we are going to create this solid model from this 2D sketch or 2D drawing. Here we have multiple views. This is the front view, this is the top view, and this is the right side view. Symmetrical geometry, like here you can see this one is symmetry to the other end. Okay. Combination of arc, here you can find arc. Radii, here the radius, different radius you can find. Slot, a slot is created here, and steps. Here you can see a step actual. Important radii be like radius 200, R55, this one, R30, R25, R50, R25, R55, R30, R50 here. Okay. Overall width is 200 mm. Here you can see the 200 mm, the overall width. Height is 170 mm. And base thickness is 20 mm. We will start with front view because it's defined the main profile of the component. So we will create this view first and then we will go with the other views. And as you know, we always do the add material features, all the add material features first, then we will do the remove material features. Okay. So now what we will do, we will create this profile 200 mm and 170 mm and this radius 200 and this is radius 30. Okay. So let's start. Select a plane. Here I will select YZ as my front plane. Click on YZ, click on the sketch to get into the sketcher workbench. Here I will create, I'll go with profile, click on 3-point arc. Okay. Now I have this view. Now double click on the constraint and make these two lines symmetry about the vertical axis. This one, right click, allow symmetry line, click on vertical line. Okay, and this dimension is I have already set, and this one we can give the dimensions. Then edit the dimensions, double click on any dimension. Here this is 200 mm and this is 170 mm. Am I correct? This is 200 and this is 170 mm. Now then what is the radius of this one? This is radius 200. This is 200. Okay. Why this happen? Because these two lines are unequal right now. So what we will do? We will give dimension to these two lines, or make these 2 points allow symmetry line and click on the vertical axis. Line, vertical axis. Now you can see both the lines are same and both are, and our sketch turns to green, means fully constrained. Here you can analyze the sketch. You can see all check passed, and in diagnostic ISO constraint means this sketch is fully constrained. Okay. Now click on the exit workbench, give the thickness. What is the thickness of this one? Here you can see this is a half arc which is of radius R25. So we can consider this one as 25 mm radius, means 50 mm of thickness here. Okay. This will create a diameter 50. Click on the mirror extend and the length is 25. Now we have created to 50 mm. Okay. Next we will create this step which is of 20 mm thickness, and this view is like this. A radius of 50 created here. That means the width of this one, we will consider this as 100 mm and create two circles on both the ends. Click on XY plane, click on the sketch. Now create a center rectangle and create like this. Now double click on the constraint. These two are symmetry about the horizontal axis. Now click on this line, click on this line, coincidence, and this is 100 mm. And click on the exit workbench, give the height as 20 mm. Now our profile created to this one. Then now our add material features are created. Now we will go with the remove material features. That means we will create this slot first, then we will give the radius or fillet at the last. So create this profile, then we will remove this one from the solid model. For that, click on the YZ plane and click on the sketch. There is a radius here, circle here, and click on the profile tool. Create the shape like this. Here you can see this is radius 30 and this is of width 30. So double click on the constraint tool, click on this line, click on this line. These two lines are symmetry about the vertical axis. This is of length 30. This circle is radius 30 means diameter 60, or we can change it to radius and give the radius value as 30. Okay. Next, this is the center point of this circle is 90 mm from the base. So click on the center point, click on this line, and this is 90 mm. Now we have a extra line here. So click on the trim tool, quick trim tool, and trim this one. Click on the exit workbench. As you also see, our sketch is fully constant, and click on the pocket tool. In here also we will use the mirror extend, and this is 50 mm depth. Then you can see this is created, this is removed, the slot is created. Okay. Now what we will do, we will give the radius to this profile one by one. The first one is the radius 30 here. Okay. Click on the edge fillet. This is these two have. As I select the face, so I am removing that one. Click on the edge, and here it is 30 mm. Okay. Now you see this is created. Next one, we will create this radius as 50 mm. Okay. To create the 50 mm radius here, what we will do, click on the fillet, edge fillet, select this edge, select the other edge. Here propagation is tangency, and rotate your model and click on these two edges as well. Let's see the preview. Now you can see our model is will be create like this, and click on OK. So our desired profile is achieved. We will achieve the desired design intent. Okay. Next one, we need to create this. Here you can see of radius 25. Okay. Click on the edge fillet. Here it is, and here, or let's try using this face, and it is of radius 25. Preview and OK. Also created, we have created this one. This is our 25 we create. Now these two have of distance 60 mm, which is already created by using radius 30, and this is radius 55. This will create automatically. How? 30 plus another radius which is 25. That means it will create radius 55 here. Now our model is created. Check all the dimensions, is everything is created or not. This one is created, this one is created. Okay. This is created 30 mm width. This radius 30 is created inside. This radius 30 created here. This radius 200 is created on the sketch. This width 50 is created here. Here you can see the 50. This is 100 mm created here. And this radius 25 created here. Is anything left? The center point of this one is 90 mm from the base. So, and this is 20 mm. So we create all the dimensions in our 3D model, and we also check the symmetry. You can see this is symmetry about this plane, and our all the sketches are fully constant while creating the sketch. So this was CATIA V5 solid modeling exercise part 2. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Enginuety Lab, comment if you want the CATIA drawing PDF for next exercise. In the next video, we shall take more complex solid modeling challenge. Thanks for watching Enginuety Lab. See you on next video.